The error code 2 on a KitchenAid coffee maker indicates a problem with the temperature sensor or the need to descale the machine. This issue can be caused by a faulty temperature sensor or water scale buildup. To fix the error code 2, try resetting the coffee maker by clicking the turn on and off buttons. Then disconnecting it from the power source. Plug the machine back in and continue with regular brewing, ensuring it is positioned at room temperature before use. If the issue persists, descaling may be necessary. Start by removing the filter and coffee from the pot. Then mix an adequate amount of vinegar with an equal amount of water, at least half of the coffee pot. Pour the mixture into the water reservoir and run a brewing cycle. Repeat this process twice using clean water without vinegar to rinse the machine. After descaling, clean the coffee pot and brewing basket to remove any vinegar residue. And replace the water filter. The error code 2 should now be cleared. If resetting and descaling do not resolve the issue, it is recommended to contact the manufacturer's technicians for further assistance.